Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody wants to rotate an ellipse 72 degrees and have them all where they're like in order of back of the page. So we're going to rotate this guy 72 degrees. And what happens if we take this one and turn it blue and turn this one blue and turn this one blue. I should have started with blue, I'm sorry. And then take the outline and make it yellow. And let's go ahead and make it thicker so you can see it. This one's on top. And no matter what you do, if you go here in object, order, front of page, then that one's on top. So what you need to do, and it's really pretty easy, is to think about Control D and make a duplicate, change your rotation of the bottom and rotate it to me in negative 72 degrees. And then take this shape right here and cut this out. And then take this shape, let's get rid of this one. Take this shape, Control D, make a duplicate. I guess that's going to be the center. Rotate it 72 degrees, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, when you color these in with blue, well, we're going to have to use the Smart Fill tool. Whoop. When we turn these blue and put an outline around them, whoop. I mean, it's got an outline, but let's make it yellow so you can see it. Let's make it 50 points. Now every one of them looks like they're behind the other one. There's no one that's equally in front. And that can be done with 6, 8, 10, 12, however many you wanted. Just change your degrees. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.